Hi everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas, and today we're going to be reviewing this Barbie Spa set. I picked this up in Target a couple of months ago and I'm deciding to open it right now. I did get a couple things to go with this set. I have the Naturalista Salon to go with this as well, and I also picked up the Barbie Spa set, which kind of has like a pedicure, and we're gonna go through that as the days progress in Vlogmas. But today we're gonna be looking at this set right here. So let's go ahead and get it open and let's get a better look at the box. So this set is part of the Barbie You Could Be Anything, and this is their self-care line. And as you can see in the bottom, it has the other self-care dolls that they came out with. I really wanted this one right here with the green. I have to find her, but I really love how this doll looks. They do have this doll with the African American doll as well, but when I went to Target, they didn't have it at the time, so I just got the one with the Millie face mold. And we are gonna try out the little pimple test right here. So I guess it's like a little magic marker, and then you're gonna make the mask with the molds that they have in there, and then we're gonna put it on her face, and it's supposed to remove the little blemishes that you add to the face. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing we have in this set is some blue Play-Doh, some pink Play-Doh, and then we have some purple Play-Doh. I smelled the Play-Doh to see if it had a smell, and it doesn't, because next we have these little scent signs, which this one looks like lavender, but when I smelled the Play-Doh, it doesn't smell like anything, so I guess it's just for playtime, just to imagine that it has the smell. But this one is lavender, and then the blue one looks like a flower. It kind of looks like a rose to me, like a rose image. And then, well, actually no, because this one is a rose, so the pink one is a rose, so I'm guessing the other one is another type of flower. But yeah, so we have those as our scents, and then it comes with 3 bowls on a small round surface, and the bowls do detach from the surface. And I love that the bowls are this clear color. It looks very realistic. And then this right here is the little flat surface that it was on. Then we have our magic marker, which we're going to use to draw the little blemishes on our Barbie doll. And then we have a pet bed, and of course Barbie's pet, the little dog. I never use these dogs. I always use dogs from Amazon, but this is really cute. I do like that, and if you're a kid, you probably will really love that. Most likely, most of these things, I will make it look realistic or add my own adult doll collector flair to it. Of course, I do like pink, but for me personally, I like my doll world to look more realistic. So the next thing that came in this set is our mask making desk, which has a little towel, a little pink towel. It's held down by a rubber band. And then we have our little scooper right here that we're supposed to make our mask with. And then right here, I believe, is the press for the mask. But before we lift this up, I want to show you guys what's up here. So up here we have a small mask for the dog, a cucumber mask for the Barbies, and a cat mask for the Barbies. So I'm going to remove the plastic. Then once we remove those items, we're able to lift this up and see the mold for the face mask. And this is the mold inside. It even has a mold for the dog, and then this is the mold for the Barbie. And then I like that this is a neutral color. That's really nice. So if I was to paint this, I will only paint the pink parts to make it look more realistic in a spa setting in my dollhouse. And then next, it comes with a Millie doll with the basic Millie face, and it comes with this pink robe. Now you guys, if you guys are OG to my channel, you guys know I love robes for my dolls, especially when I'm in between doing doll photography for Instagram, which, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Bougie Doll Life. And I do like to have my dolls in robes because it's just easier with changing clothes. So I like to use robes a lot when I'm doing a lot of doll photography. And then right here, she has these sandals, which are really nice, and they're just standard flip-flops. They're staying on her feet because she has the clear rubber bands from the packaging, and that's a good tip if you want to keep sandals on your doll, is to use the clear rubber bands that comes with the dolls, or you could buy your own clear rubber bands and use that as well. Then it also came with this cute blue chair, which I can't wait to use this, and it leans back and forward. And I do like that. I will definitely be painting this, especially if I plan to put it with my Naturalista salon that I'm going to be opening soon. I think this will be a good addition to that playset. So next, I want to show you guys what the mask looked like on the doll. So this is how the cucumber mask looks on the doll. You could probably use some putty if you wanted to stay on your doll's face. If you wanted to do photography like they're in a spa, I think this would be really cute. Also, Miniverse came out with their spa set. I already built mine while I was taking a break from YouTube, but I'm definitely going to be using that set with this in a whole doll diorama to do photos, and I cannot wait. And then next is the kitty mask. So the kitty mask, this is how it looks on the Barbie. I think that's very fun and playful. And then it comes with a little tiny mask for the dog. Let's just go ahead and see what it looks like. I think that would be so cute. Oh, it looks really adorable. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at that. That's so cute. I'm trying to hold it and show you at the same time. Okay, right here. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. All right, so that is all the things that came in the set. So let's try out one of these masks. So I'm gonna get some of the Play-Doh and make a mask, and we're gonna write some blemishes on the Barbie's face. Okay, so when you open this up, this is how the marker looks. I don't mind doing it to this doll because I usually don't play with the Millie mold dolls. I will use them as background dolls, but not as a main doll in photos. In my opinion, the Millie face mold is not really my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and write some little blemishes on her. So I guess we'll give her one on her cheek, and then we'll give a couple of them. Okay, so I put the little blemishes on her face. I hope you guys can see that. Let me turn my light down a little bit to see if you guys can see it better. Okay, so I dim my light to see if you guys can see the blemishes a little bit better. I believe you can. I did do a couple of them so we could see if there's really a difference when we use the Play-Doh. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the blue one because I opened it already. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. And it does come with instructions, so why don't we read that? I'm one of those people, I would just go straight in with a toy when I was young, and instead of reading the instructions. Let me know in the comments down below if you were one of those kids that you just went straight in for it. You didn't even read the instructions. I was one of those kids. So it says to take some of the Play-Doh out, and it says to add it to the bowl. We're not doing all that because we don't have to. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the Play-Doh in my hand. Get like a little ball's worth. Enough that it could make a mask for her face. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our mask maker, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the ball of Play-Doh right there in the little slot, and then we're going to just press down with our press like that, like so. Press down, put a little pressure on it. I want it to come out cute. All right, so let's see, and then we're supposed to peel the mask off. Okay, look at it, and it shows a little face on it. So let's go ahead and put it on the doll. This is fun. If you want like a cute little craft to do as a cozy hobby, this would be really fun if you're a collector or a kid. And we're gonna put it on the doll. I'm trying to put it on her without messing up her face. So this is her with the mask. It did have some seepage right here, probably because I put too much Play-Doh. But let's see. So the instructions say we're supposed to put the mask on top, the eye mask on top of the clay mask that we made, and then remove it. So I'm going to take the cucumber mask and put it on top. This is fun. It kind of feels like we're playing dolls together. So I'm gonna put it on her face, press down. So I guess this will hold it in place as well. Okay, so let's see, we're gonna remove it. I'm nervous. I would never use this pen on my dolls that I can really care about. So proceed with caution. All right, so let's oh, it took it off. So it took it off. You can still see a little bit here, but I think if you put the Play-Doh on there, it'll take it right off. Yeah, the Play-Doh will take it right off. Oh, I like that. I think her face has kind of a gloss on it. If I'm not mistaken, you see right there, her cheek is a little shiny. So I wonder if they put a different type of layer on the doll's face for these type of dolls specifically. All right, so that works. Oh wow. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for being here with me to review this set, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And just to let you guys know again, this is 25 days of Vlogmas, so I'm going to be posting every day up until Christmas for the month of December. And thank you guys so much for all the love that you guys give me on my videos. I really appreciate it, and it makes my heart so happy. And I love that you all are enjoying your dolls and enjoying Vlogmas. And I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 5. Bye.